Hi guys, Jeff at Slavens Racing. I'm up here on the trail doing a little development today. And the city's down through there. Anyhow, this is in my backyard. This is just a few minutes away from my house, so it's very convenient for me to do testing. And I'm up here a lot. This is a smooth part of the trail, but it gets a lot rockier as you go up. But anyhow, the new product is the Get ECU for the 20 through 23 models without a race kit, without the injector relocation kit. We've been working with Get for quite a while, last couple of years, trying to twist their arm and help them with the development of this to get this produced. Because, you know, not everybody wants to spend $1,200, and not everybody needs that extra little bit of horsepower that you get from the relocation kit. And the relocation kit makes it definitely more complicated to install, whereas this kit's very easy to install. So, this has got a much better price point. It's the price is on our site, guys. So I don't know the exact price. I think it's around $875. And the one with the relocation kit's close to $1,200. So, you've got over a $200 savings there. And it's easier to install. It still has all the features and functions of the one with the race kit. So it's got the Wi-Fi comm, the map switch, and the phone app. All that's included in it. And it's still just as easy to tune. And most guys have a little bit of tinkeritis in their blood and they want to mess with their bikes. But, say you install one of these and you ride it for a couple months, you decide to make some changes to your bike. Maybe you install a head or a different pipe, or who knows what, or move to a different elevation, and you want to tweak your map a little bit. Well, you can do that yourself. I just keep my iPhone in my pocket and I just pull over on the side of the trail. It takes me more time to get the phone in and out of my pocket than it does to make the adjustments. It's very easy to do. You can make adjustments to the fueling, which is like jetting on carbureted bikes, and you can make adjustments to the timing, the ignition timing. And so bottom line is, guys, I know what you'll really want to know is how does it run compared to the other one with the injection relocation kit. Well, it's pretty close. It's not quite as strong as the one with the race kit, but it still runs damn good. And like I say, you save a couple $100. It's easier installation, and I think it's a home run. So, as I mentioned earlier, I do a lot of testing up here. We do some dyno testing on the ECUs that we sell, but the majority of the work we do is, right there on the trail. Dynos are a tool, and like any tool, they have their limitations. And their biggest limitation with a dyno is it cannot replicate, real-world trail riding or track riding. It just can't do it. On and off the throttle all the time, chopping the throttle, grabbing a handful to get up and over something. Those are all things that cannot be replicated on a dyno. Dynos are stick them in gear, run it through the gears, hold the throttle wide open, rev the guts out of it, and read the dyno graph. It's as simple as that. And sorry, but that doesn't really apply to trail riding. How often are you wide open throttle on tight trails? Very seldom. So, we're the largest Get ECU retailer in the world, not just the US, but in the world. We sell more Gets in the United States than all of our competitors combined. So, and why are we number one? Why do we sell so many? Because we do the work and we provide the support. We answer the phone Monday through Friday. We've got a whole team of guys that answer the phone, and we've got guys trained on these. If you need any help with that, we can do it. And support and doing the work. That's all there is to it. I mean, I've got a couple of guys that help me with the map development, and I'm out here constantly myself. I'm not in the office much anymore, guys, so if you're trying to reach me there, it's kind of hard. I'm there on Mondays now for about 4 hours, and that's it. So sounds like some guys are coming down the trail here. I'm going to wrap this up. Great price point, great product. Home run. Here we go. Howdy. Yo. All right, guys. Get out and ride. Throttle therapy is the best thing you can do. That's all for now.